how to make caller ID full screen on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change this easy and quick. First, open Truecaller, and once you're here, just click on your profile here, and now click the settings icon, and once you're here, click caller ID, and here you can change it. Click full screen. First you need to set as default, and that's it. Full screen color ID is on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.